Yeah, good morning all. Today you are welcome to the Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis, date 17 January 2023. Let me share the screen, right? This is the screen which I have shared. So before proceeding, please subscribe to my channel if this is the first time you are visiting, right? Share it, like it, and press the bell icon so that further notifications you would receive. Right. This is Suresh Babu from Gauri Bitnor. So this is the uh, chart which I have taken. Before proceeding, I have assumption that the one who is watching this particular analysis video of Nifty and Bank Nifty, I always assume that you understand the chart reading. If it is not so, let me say, this is the Nifty chart. The time frame that I have taken is 15 minutes. You could watch my previous two videos as well of yesterday's analysis. The same discussion is being continued here to make good profits and not to suffer heavy losses. It is very prominent for us to understand the reason, the cause and effect relationship. Okay, let me not proceed further. Yeah, yesterday's trade, you just see yesterday's analysis, and then I shall be taking you through today's analysis, what the market is going to be looking. Yeah. Yesterday, you see this particular candle, all these candles, what you see, right? These candles having 15 minutes time frame. Each candle is 15 minutes. As I have said, first wait till 9:15 to 9:30, first candle to form. See, once this, you observe. The first candle made high of 18,050 Nifty, and low it had made 17,988. Right? I have marked these two. The second candle and the third candle, you see, after making this, right, breaking this low, 17,988, right, it got slipped further, see, further slipped, okay. To what an extent? This point, you see, 17,869 was the low. Even below that, yes, it had made 17,858. That is the day's low which has touched. Correct? So what is my strategy? Wait for 15 minutes. You could have shorted the market. See, I will write short. Okay. You could have gone for short. Short means, okay, short means you could have bought PG here, right? So you could have bought PG and you could have made good money out of it. See, PG and CE, try to understand. I will type here, right? Sorry, 1 minute. PE or CE. When to make, when to purchase. Suppose the market is breaking this 18,050, then you could have gone for CE. That is called European. The market is going below 17,988. You could have what? PE. That is put European. See, put European, call European, or the derivatives and options, right? In the option market, always there is a risk. Measure your risk. Based on that, you can take the appropriate decision. This is about yesterday's, right? And let us see today what is going to happen. Let me take the 1 day's chart here. Right? Yeah, 1 day's chart. So this is yesterday's chart, right? Today's what is going to be looking like, what should be your strategy. See, once it crosses, wait for 15 minutes, okay, 9:15 to 9:30, and let it sustain for 5 minutes, right? After the sustaining of 5 minutes, what you could do, so you can go long here. So long means I'm typing here. So what you could do, you can buy CE here. CE you can buy. What is the condition? So condition is it has to break 18,050 and sustain for 5 minutes. Let the second candle form or the third candle form. Any candle that breaks 18,050, you can go long. That means you can buy the CE, right? Suppose it breaches 17,854, right? And sustains for 5 minutes. When it is 9:15 to 9:30, after 9:30 only. When it breaches this 17,859, then immediately you can go for PE, right? You can buy PE. Either CE or PE, very important. See, always ensure that, right? You would be always buying, right? ITM, right? There are 3 types. I have said ITM, then ATM, and OTM. Correct now? Let me repeat once again. Whether it is CE or PE, you are buying. If you are buying, carefully you have to buy. Number 1, you need to ensure that the entry, the proper entry, proper targets, proper exit, and adequate stop loss. Without stop loss, entering the market is always dangerous. Okay? If it is being the stocks and long-term investment, it is different story. But if it is options, because every week, Thursday, these option contracts would expire. Hence, in options, volatility is very, very huge. It looks so lucrative and attractive. So 90% of the chances option buyers would lose money. That means 90% of the chances that option sellers would be making money. For option buying, you need lesser amount of capital. So only huge group of people, investors, are actually being driven to this side, buying side. So seller side, exposure is more. That means investment is more, return is very less. But possibly winning chances for the sellers would be always more, right? So what is this ITM? ITM, in the money. So in the money, for example, in the call, if it is call 18,050, these are all strike prices. See, 18,050, 18,075, 18,100. What you see here, the cursor, these are all strike prices. See, where it is closed, see, closing 17,894, correct? So here, 17,894 is at the money, exactly at the money, right? Above, you see 17,925, 950, 975. This is known as OTM. OTM, out of the money, right? And 17,875, 17,850, 17,825, these are all ITM calls. ITM means in the money. In the money always would be expensive. Okay. So there are option Greeks, which videos I would be making and further uploading. This is about the NIFTY today's analysis. What I mean is I am saying and giving you one more hint. So if it breaches 18,050 on the upper level, go for CE with proper stop loss, right? And there is, once again, let me check, there is what? So here, very close by, there is resistance at 18,130 levels. See, this is what 18,130, there is resistance, right? And there is a support for this. So the support here, immediate support, let me check it. Yeah, this is what the immediate support, sorry, you can find here, immediate support here for the NIFTY. So 17,772. So these should be your targets for exit, right? So there is volatility in the market, and read the chart patterns, try to understand NIFTY. NIFTY is comprising top 50 companies, average stock price. So thank you. If you like the video, please share it, subscribe it, right? Comment it, and let me know, or let me have your feedback about this particular channel, SSD Benchmark. This is Suresh Babu. I'm done. Thank you. One and all.